Hi, I'm Sheree, and as you can see, I'm ready to go to bed, but I feel like singing a song before I go to bed. I'm going to sing Mary Mary. Can't give up now. So, yeah, so here I go. There will be mountains that I will have to climb, and there will be battles that I will have to fight. Victory or defeat is up to me to decide, but how can I expect to win if I never try? I just can't give up now. I come too far from where I started from. Nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe He's brought me this far to leave me. Never said there would be trials, never said I wouldn't fall, never said that everything would go the way I wanted to go. But when my back is against the wall and I feel the hope is gone, I just lift my head to the sky and say, help me to be strong. Oh, I just can't give up now. I come too far from where I started from. Nobody told me the road would be easy, and I don't believe, yeah, He's brought me this far to leave me. And that's all I'm gonna sing. Thank you. Now it's time for me to go to sleep. I gotta freaking air. Bye bye. Thank you.